So, good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you are new and you've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel section. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on our Euro GBP. So once again, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. So when you take a look at our Euro GBP, you will see that our Euro GBP, right, previously was in an uptrend move, right? This was the previous trend. We were in an uptrend move. Right now, we are now in a downtrend. So market is now dropping down right here. So this is the first low, Euro GBP, and here comes the lower high. This is also the lower low. So our next movement on Euro is a lower high. So be expecting a bullish move, which will be a pullback on our Euro GBP before another move. So above all, we are still anticipating for a bearish move for the week on our Euro GBP. So guys, a bearish move is still what we will be anticipating for on our Euro GBP. But if you take a look at this previous movement here, you will see that Euro GBP was trending upward right here. So this was an high. Here comes the higher low. This is also the higher high plus the higher low. So market was able to push up to form a higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market pushed up again, formed a higher high right here. Market is forming this higher low. So with this higher low, we still anticipating more sell right here. Now, if you want to see what market will be doing, let's see, go to our daily time frame. So you can clearly see that on our daily time frame, we are also trending downward. You can clearly see that this trend on our daily time frame is also a downtrend movement. So on this your daily time frame right here, when you see this, you will see this to be your low, and here comes the lower high. This is also your lower low, and here comes the lower high. This is also the lower low, and here comes the lower high. And here is our lower low. Then this is now the lower high. So once this lower high plays out finish, we will be expecting another lower low. So currently a lower high is currently playing out right here. So lower high is currently playing. So once this lower high plays out finish, another lower low is what we will be anticipating for next on Euro GBP. So when you take a look at it on your Euro GBP, one more push up is likely to play out. So guys, one more push up, then a drop. More updates on Euro GBP will be covered, right? In order for you not to miss out on any of these updates, all you just need to do is click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section.